Hey everyone! Today, we are showing you how to link your bank account as a new payment method in Venmo. First, open the Venmo app on your phone and log in if you are not already signed in. In the bottom right corner, tap the menu icon, then select payment methods from the menu options. Next, tab, tap Add the bank or card and choose Bank. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details manually or through Play, which allows you to securely log into your bank. If you added your bank manually, Venmo will send two small deposits to your account within 1 to 3 business days. Once received, go back to Venmo and verify the amounts by entering them into the app. Now your bank account is now linked as a new payment method in Venmo. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.